Dragons, it's Mrs. Bobbitt here and my daughter Maddie. We thought it would be fun today to teach you some math games using ordinary things like cards, and I'll show you some alternative things that you can use too. But the great thing about these games is they're fun, but they also help you practice your math facts. Ready to learn? All right, to get started, you want to try to find some playing cards that you have around your house, and you're going to shuffle them up and then put them down in the middle of the players. Now this game is really versatile because you can use however many players you have. So like 2 of us are going to play. All right, so Maddie's going to take 2 cards and then I'm going to take 2 cards and we're going to add them together. Now I did want to mention that we have taken out the face cards. So like all of the cards that have the special pictures on them, the jacks, queens, kings, we took those out. I did leave in the aces. They have an A on them, and in our game we're going to make those count for 1 point. All right, so my hand, I have 4 plus 9, so I'm going to add those together, and I know that 4 plus 9 is 13. And Maddie, what do you have?
I have 2 plus 6, which is 8.
Okay, so I have 13 and Maddie has 8. So in our game today, we're going to play that the higher score wins. So I won this round, and I'm going to get all the cards from my pile. I'm just going to set them to the side. All right, let's play another round. What do you have?
I have 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Ooh, and I have a doubles fact. 7 plus 7 equals 14. And here's a cool tip. If you're not sure what it equals, you can count the pictures that are in the middle of the cards. The only tricky part is don't count the little picture that's with the number. Just count in the center of the card. So if I counted 7 and then I counted 7 more, I would have 14. So sorry, Maddie, I win this round again. Now you can keep playing round after round until all of your cards are gone. And then at the end, you could count them up and you could see who won the most hands. Now there are some ways that you can alter this. If you are working on just identifying numbers, you could do 1 card each and then compare who has the bigger number. You could also practice with subtraction, and you could take 2 cards and find the difference between the 2 numbers that you have, and you could really mix it up, and you could do lowest score wins the round. But here's the tricky part. You want to make sure that you and the other players decide and agree on the rules before you start. Here's another fun twist. So you can use this game to compare 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. All right, so this time, Maddie, we're each going to take 2 cards. And then we're going to try to create the largest 2-digit number that we can. So for instance, I have a 6 and I have a 9. Well, I could make 69 or I could make 96. Well, I know that's bigger, so I'm gonna make the 96. And Maddie, what can you make?
48 or 84.
Oh man, so 96 would definitely beat 84. So Maddie, it's just not your lucky day. I win this round again. I bet there are times at your house when everybody is busy and you might not be able to find somebody to play with you. Could you play anyway? I think you could. Why don't you gather up some buddies and make them player 1? You could even have player 1, player 2, player 3, and you. You could really have a big time playing. Just play the same way, but make one of your stuffed buddies the other player. Here are some other things that you might have at your house that would work for these games as well. You can use any kind of number cube that you might have and other number cards. You could even make your own if you wanted to. If you enjoyed learning how to play these games today and we'll give them a try, we hope you're having tons of fun and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!